you so much for coming today. I know that there's some folks here that were at yesterday's session on ESD as well. So welcome, welcome. We're really excited to help you. As Tatum mentioned, I'm joined by my colleague Tatum, and my name is Ami Scherson. I use she, her pronouns, and I'm the project manager at Arts Business Collaborative. We're super excited to have everyone today, and a little bit of a spiel before we get started. So this session is part of our ABC Help Desk program, which is an 8-week-long series designated or designed to provide strategy and organizational recovery webinars, office hours, and individualized consulting for organizations and small businesses led by and serving communities of color. And so this office hour is being recorded and will be posted on the ABC YouTube channel by next week. But if you would like your question or portion to not be recorded or edited out, please let me know and I can remove it from the recording. And so this office hour is a lot more casual compared to our standard webinar. And so we want everyone to feel free to engage and ask questions. So feel free to unmute yourself and ask any questions. This year's Help Desk is brought to you with thanks to the M&T Charitable Foundation, Hill Capital Partners, Amalgamated Bank, and Empire State Development Corporation. If you're interested in applying for the ESD Small Business Pandemic Relief Grants, which is a reason that folks are here right now, ABC provides free technical support. And you can learn more information and connect with us by either private messaging myself or Tatum or emailing services@Arts Business Collaborative. And so I know that most of the people in here have already heard the full spiel about the ESD grant, but why not just go through it again, and we'll do a little bit of a shortened version before we answer any questions you might have. So I'm going to now pass it off to Tatum, who has a little bit of an overview of the overview of ESD, and then we can get started. Thank you so much.
So as Ami mentioned, we're from Arts Business Collaborative, and we're really excited to be here today. Arts Business Collaborative is a 501c3 technical assistance and research organization with a mission to improve the quality of people of color through arts and STEM. For the ESD grant, we're talking about like some of the key highlighted points, which are like what makes you eligible or ineligible for the grant. Here are a few ineligible businesses for the grant, such as nonprofits, churches, government-owned entities, landlords or passive real estate businesses, industries or businesses as specified by ESD, lobbying or political businesses, and businesses that have been already awarded the SBA Restaurant Revitalization Grant Program. Eligible businesses and eligible grant fund use will be for expenses that were incurred from March 1st, 2020 through April 1st, 2021. These include payroll cost, rent and mortgage payments, heating or HVAC cost, payments for property taxes or school taxes associated with New York State, insurance cost, utility cost, material cost for COVID compliance and safety and protocol regulations, and other documented COVID-19 related costs. Again, that period is from March 1st, 2020 through April 1st, 2021. You're gonna need a few required documents in order to apply. The application process is fairly simple. I'll speak more about like the types of documentation you need to apply with, but you'll need 2 of the following documents: a current lease, utility bill, business banking statement, business mortgage statement, business credit card statement, professional insurance bill, payment processing, or a ST809 or ST100 sales collection documentation. Other required documents will be proof of gross receipts. So these are the receipts for 2019 and 2020. You'll need to have filed your income taxes for those years. And the grant is open for some time. So if you haven't done that, we really recommend you starting that process now. So you'll need your 2019 and 2020 business income tax returns. We'll need the full and complete unaltered federal tax information. For each corporation, we're going to walk through what that filing looks like and the forms that you'll be able to provide to us once you've put in your taxes. In addition to that, you'll need proof of the type of business, proof of the business organizational type, which can be your current business license, your certificate of organization, your current business certificate, your New York State Security of Authority, your articles of incorporation, your multiplicity issue document showing authorization to operate in New York State. Going back to uploading the documents, all documents have to be in PDF files. Sometimes people like to take a picture of a document, and that is going to be a JPEG, but you can download an app to help you scan, and we can walk you through scanning again during our help desk hours or our one-on-one consultation and how to create PDFs. The PDFs have to be under a 15 megabyte size. You'll be able to see the size on the PDF once you have created it. It'll give you a number at the side, and if it's above 15, you'll need to reduce the size, and we can also help you with that. All the documents that are listed, like the application certification, issued a photocopy of like some of the grant information, your tax returns, all of the documentation we talked about before needs to be uploaded as a PDF file. There are really great step-by-step instructions on the website when you go to it to help you navigate which files you need to upload, what information you need to input. And as you go through it, you'll be able to see that you've uploaded the correct documentation, that you've uploaded the correct files type. So again, going back to the types of documentation you're going to upload, if you are a corporation or an LLC, you're going to upload the IRS Form 1120S. If you are a sole proprietor, you're going to upload the 1040 Schedule F, sorry. If you're a partnership, you're going to upload 1065 Schedule K. You've gotten through the documentation, you've uploaded all the files properly, you qualify, and you're part of the approved applicants to move forward with the ESD grant. Congratulations, we're really excited for you. But you're not done uploading documentation. You'll still need to upload a copy of your W-9. This will also be a PDF form. This is a copy of a current W-9 here. If you don't have a copy of your W-9 or don't have one on file, we can help you find a copy of W-9 so you can input the proper information into this document, save it as a PDF, and upload it. You'll also need your bank account information, and within that, you'll need your routing number as well as your account number. You'll be able to find, if you don't know your bank account's routing number, you'll be able to find it on the website. It will be by New York State. And so some, Chase, for instance, will have upstate or downtown New York areas. And so just making sure that you have the correct routing number. And if you need assistance with that, we're happy to help you there too. If you have ever received assistance from other federal programs or grants, you can still qualify for the ESD grant. If you received less than $250,000 in Paycheck Protection Program, you still qualify. If you received less than $10,000 in the COVID-19 EIDL Advance Grant, you still qualify. If you received less than $5,000 in the COVID-19 EIDL Supplemental Targeted Advance Grant, you can still apply. Or if you received Shuttered Venue Operator Grant, you can still apply. If you have applications that are outstanding within any of these or other applications or grants, still apply until you actually get notification. Do not let this opportunity pass up because you have other grant applications in as well. Accessibility is really important, and we really want to thank ESD and our friends at Lendistry for creating a really thorough site. If you do need translation, there is accessibility on the website in all of these languages, to walk you through. And if you find yourself still needing more assistance, there is a 1-800 number on the bottom of the page you can call to get further walkthrough assistance. In addition to contacting us, we'd be more than happy to help you. It's a really brief intro to some of the documentation you need. I want to open up the floor to some more questions during this help desk hour, and our time here is really to walk through and have a Q&A and be able to answer any questions that we can for you. And I really thank you for joining and thank Ami for putting all of this hard work into everything. Please, again, use this as a resource. You can contact Ami or myself at our email addresses. It's Tatum@artsbusinesscollaborative.org or Ami@artsbusinesscollaborative.org. You can find the grant and more information on the grant and apply for the grant using the website nysmallbusinessrecovery.com. The link is here. All of this information will be uploaded and be able to be shared on the YouTube page, and we'll be happy to email you or anything that you might need directly. If you email us, we'll be happy to walk you through it. So thank you for your time.